our main goal today is to catch a channel cat on ultralight. And so while Brad be realizing at the other lake on the hill up there, I'm gonna catch some bait, and so we can put it on giant hooks that we tie onto our ultralights. And yeah, we're basically looking for a fight today. We're going bigger going home, and so we're gonna keep it rolling. Hopefully it's kind of an instant bite. Okay, I was literally on the phone and I didn't even feel the bite, but yeah, there we go. There's our bait. We're gonna fillet him up and cast him out on ultralights, basically free lining. So crap, that means I gotta go all the way up back this hill, and yeah, let's get it.
No sudden movement! No sudden move!
Oh, that killed me. All right. But anyway, there's our rig right there. Basically just free line a piece of chicken breast, and we're just gonna give her the fullest of sins. Well, there went my bait. That's a, yeah. There we go. We got the fish on. I'm recording. We're good.
I don't know if he's big or not.
For an ultralight, he feels big.
I know. Oh, damn, his dog in there. I don't know if he's
Definitely a channel cat. Watch it be just a baby bullhead. It's a channel.
That's a baby.
Warm up. How'd that feel?
Light? He wasn't even that big.
On ultralight though?
Yeah, that felt
How's
tiny.
that? On ultralight?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He
Never
didn't
mind.
feel that big.
You're supposed to say it felt like a monster and that you're ready for a bigger one.
Oh,
But-
I am ready for a bigger one. But this one didn't feel that big.
Oh. Yes! Got him!
Did you really?
I got him. Yeah, I think there's like a hole out there that's holding him. Yeah. There we go, second catfish ever on an ultralight. It's 1-to-1 now.
1-to-1.
This is where I need a net. Ooh.
Oh, that's a good one, actually.
That's about the size of the one you
No,
caught.
that's a little bit bigger.
Oh, okay. Alright, there we go. First fish of the day for me. Or no, second fish of the day. I caught the bait. Caught this on a piece of chicken breast, and yeah. About to go back. Oh, are we about to have a double?
Yep.
I think we should start keeping these once they get bigger.
Take a look.
As soon as I turn the camera on,
Dude,
too.
that's a good fish. Look, he's barely moving. I can't pull him.
Better be. Bullhead? Wait, is that on the bullhead?
Yeah.
It's crazy. He's just caught in the cords in the fountain or something.
That's it. That's a good fish, too. Like a really good fish.
They're all sitting underneath that fountain. It is deep out there.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, she's stuck too.
Nope. This one's free. Good fish, though.
Okay, I just started recording too. That's good. Dang,
Another
cookie cutter. Cookie cutter size. Hey, fun on an ultralight though, I'll tell you that.
I don't know. I thought he was a little bit better.
Well, see, bud. Do I have him? Oh my lord.
What is that?
What is that?
That's a greenie.
That's a bullhead. Oh my god, dude. What? This is what they're eating out there. That's right in that hole too. This is what they're eating.
Take the whole thing and put a big old hook through.
I know, that's what I'm saying,
Or
dude.
clip-
Guys, we're using cut bullhead for
Don't
catfish.
ever wonder. Oh my god, there's a bunch of minnows going ham right there.
Where? Where?
They're right in front of your feet.
It could have been me like that.
They were like.
Look, that.
No, it was the water coming off.
They probably were feeding on this. They're like, ooh, give me some of that. Oh, that's a good spot. I'm gonna go with that.
Oh, that really is gross. That's no problems cup. That's a meat cup. A meat cup. We sell it at our meat market.
Never mind.
I
Okay.
can tell you without a doubt.
There
that's
went
what
my
it
chicken
is.
liver.
It has pilgrims on it. They do a whole bunch of meat.
Yeah, that was ours. Yep.
Oh, yeah. My bad.
You're good, man. You're good, man. Describing it too. He's like, it's pilgrims. Yeah, that's my liver. Dumped it out.
Oh,
too.
this is a
I was like, what the? Oh
Brahms bucket?
my god.
Funny.
Oh, that's funny.
I looked and tried so hard not to laugh.
I know. I wanted to say something, but I was like, that liver's old anyway.
That's okay.
It's
We're
good.
catching fish on this anyway.
Yeah, we're catching fish on cut fish and that. I wasn't about to use that liver anyway. I'm not tripping too much. Moose spots. Got a pretty nice bullhead. That was instant too. We're basically just resorting to bullheads just because the channel cat bite is really, you're either on it or you're not. Like, they're so concentrated on the spot in the middle of the lake, and this freaking bullhead won't come off. There we go. But yeah, when all else fails, just catch some bullheads. Oh, got bit. Oh, got a bit here too. Fish on. Double. Oh, it came off. Thank you. Up, covered in leaves. See you, bud. Yep, that's a fish. Instant. Just put that out there. Guys, we're on the bullheads. It's not a bad one either. I know it could be. No, it's a bullhead. Oh, I swallowed it. Crap. We're on double. We're on double. Alright, there we go. Got a double here. Looking good. Yeah, we got the double, boys. Alright, see ya. Oh, there's a bite. There's a bite. There's a bite. Got him. Whoa! Did I get him? I still got him. Dang. We're on him. There we go. Another bullhead. See ya. Lit. There's a bite. Gotcha, mother. Oh, that's big. Okay, there we go. Definitely a fish. Where are you, bud? Nope, just a big bullhead. Hooked perfectly. Don't bite me. That's rude. Wow, he wasn't coming off. Another bite. We about to have a double. We about to have a double. Oh, frick. Oh, no, I got him. Nope, I got him. That's a nice one. I had no clue. It's a fish, though. It's another bullhead. Golly, we're in him. We're about to have a triple. Have we ever had a triple before? I don't think we've ever had a triple before. That's a big one, so I'm just gonna hook him first. Look at that, thumbnail time. Look at that, boys. Got a double here. This one's the bigger one, so we're gonna put him back. This one's hooked in the eye, really weird. So he's gonna take a minute to get off. What's up? We're going for a different angle here. There's a bite. Got a bite. Got him. I'm gonna bill dance it. Oh, that was a bad idea. You got him? No, it's not. It's a big bullhead. It's a bullhead, liar.
Big boy. Yeah, baby.
Oh, we got a drone. What's up? Bro, flop. Eat it. Oh, there's a bite. Got him. Hopefully it stays on this time. The monster. Thumbnail time. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this dude. Yeah. You saw a giant carp bust. I don't think it was a carp. I think it was a whale personally, but it could have been a great white shark. Oh yeah. Got it. That was a good hit. Just swam with it. So fun on ultralight. Just spinning. Just spinning. He bit pretty good. Oh! Come on, take it. Don't be a pansy. Another one. Lit. See ya. If you hit my camera and knocked it into the water. Underwater footage. Yee! Come on, take the chicken and run. Good morning. Oh, I missed him. Oh crap, it's been 3 minutes. Come on, come on, come on. We have 15 seconds. Come on. Flies, get off me. I know I stink. 4, 3, 2, 1. Frick. Last cast, I'm leaving. Bye-bye. Been a good day. It's been a good day. We caught some channel cats, got some bullheads, got it.
Oh my god, stop!
So, let's go home. Actually, let's roll some clips from other times we fished this week. And we'll just roll out with those clips right now.
Hey.
Here we go. We got a channel here. And my phone's about to die.
Hard,
which is great, you know?
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Let go live. Huh, they must not believe me. Huh? Hey, I just took it easy. Huh? Hey, just turned on the TV. Huh? Don't want me, just watch the TV.
Look at that.
Live
Nice
television. Going live television.
First one, it's the second fish of the day. About the size of the first one, but it's a different strain of carp, so pretty dope. We're gonna get the good release now. Don't want to get it dirty, so we're just gonna off, boys. Let's get it!